While Russia keeps on relying on firepower, Ukraine takes out these systems with precision strikes, one after another. Spotting another Tyulpan heavy mortar system with multiple personnel around, setting up the system to be fired. Ukraine sent their drone army to take care of the problem. With the operators seeing what's coming, everyone ran for their lives as they knew the likely outcome. With little armor and ammunition unprotected, the warhead of the drone created an initial explosion, which soon spread to the ammunition, causing a much larger explosion, resulting in a destroyed and burning system, leaving one less of Russia's heavy mortar system for tomorrow. That's all I had for this video. Please like and subscribe for more. Thanks for watching. Bye.